Hi everyone, welcome back to Connie's English. In today's episode, we are going to explore different ways to say sorry in English, whether you've made a big mistake or a small one. Knowing how to apologize appropriately is a crucial part of communication. So let's dive into some common phrases you can use. Let's start with the simplest and most widely used phrase. I'm sorry. It's direct, to the point, and can be adapted to different situations. If you want to add emphasis and show that you really mean it, you can say, I'm really sorry, or I'm very sorry. But remember, a good apology isn't just about saying the words. It's important to acknowledge what you did wrong and assure the other person that it won't happen again. For example, you might say, I'm really sorry for what I said. I know I hurt your feelings, and I won't do it again. Next up, we have I apologize. This phrase is a bit more formal than I'm sorry and is often used in professional or serious situations. It's a good way to show respect and take responsibility. For instance, if you are at work and something goes wrong, you might say, I apologize for your order being late. I know you needed it yesterday. We'll do everything we can to make sure this doesn't happen again. This phrase works well when you need to maintain a professional tone while acknowledging a mistake. Another phrase to consider is pardon me. This one is typically used for minor mistakes or when you've done something rude by accident. It's a polite way to excuse yourself when the situation isn't too serious. For example, if you accidentally bump into someone while walking, you might say, pardon me. It's a quick way to apologize and move on without making a big deal out of a small mistake. Finally, let's talk about my bad. This is a very informal way to apologize, usually used among friends or in casual settings. It's perfect for small mistakes, but it's important to note that it's not appropriate for more serious situations. For example, if you forgot to pick up something from the store for a friend, you could say, I forget to buy you a drink from the shop, my bad. It's a light-hearted way to acknowledge a minor slip-up. So these are 4 different ways to say sorry in English. I'm sorry, I apologize, pardon me, and my bad. Each of these phrases has its own tone and level of formality, so it's important to choose the one that fits the situation best. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a review. See you next time. Bye.